Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are here on Saturday. And we still don't have a secure website, so I still can't run that ad. But it's a very nice day out because the sun is not beaming hot. There are clouds in the sky. It is wonderful. So I am going to try and go on a walk. Look at that. That's cloudy-esque sky, minus the whole electrical fence. Don't worry about that. But, yeah, one kid is up, one kid is sleeping, one wife is sleeping, one husband is up. So, what do we do today? Finish the list, get the list done. Hopefully it'll be a good one. All right, Levi's gonna do some working out. Levi's gonna do some working out. Get some push-ups in. You want to do something with me? Yeah. Good swing, good hang, bud. Whoo! Ah, 25. Where you going? I'm wearing sweat shorts, so this is gonna be a problem because I'm gonna get really hot really fast. Ugh. These are the best things to sleep in. I cannot recommend them enough. Sweat shorts, no shirt, no socks. There's some weird people wearing socks to go to bed. Really? Why? Although I will say there are bugs all over Brazil, so I'm sure there are bugs crawling on my feet. All right. I'm still waking up. We're still getting after it. Good job, Levi. Oh boy, and 15. Oh, where'd my kid go? There he is. Beautiful day. Not too hot, wind is blowing. Feels like there might even be a little rain, which is surprising. What you doing, bud? Now? Okay. I'm gonna try and get 100 of these, 100 squats, and skip the run today because my hips are feeling a little tight. Not a runner. If you're not used to running, your feet will hurt, your ankles will hurt, your knees will hurt, your back will hurt, your hips will hurt. I mean, not hurt, just be sore. I don't want to say like, you're in pain, it's gonna hurt. No. Because obviously it's a huge form of exercise across the world. People love doing it. I'm not one of those people. What's up? There's 50. Oh, 55. Right? Yeah, 25, 15. 15. The flies down here are especially weird. They will, I don't know if it's their breakfast. I don't know if your sweat in the morning has more sugar in it than otherwise, but they are everywhere. Good job, bud. Good job with the elliptical. Woo! Wow, go super fast. Super fast. Oh, now you're a skier? What am I at? 60? 60. No, 55. What's up? What happened? What happened? What happened? Run, quick, quick, quick. Run, run, run. What happened? What's wrong? Oh, you just got a sticky thing on you. What? It's fine. All done. Oh, it's on your sock, too. Okay, no biggie. No biggie. You got one back here, too. There you go. Good job, all done. It was hurting? Yeah. Okay, you want to do some push-ups with me? I got you protected, don't you worry. What? Yeah, they're my keys. Leave it on the floor. Okay, I won't leave it on the floor. You carry it for me, okay? Okay. Whew. 15 more, that'll be 100. Oh, that breeze feels nice. Feels nice, 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 doesn't it? Okay. 15 more, let's get them done. Straight up. Ten more. Uh-oh, 5 more. Really strong. Dig deep. Get it done. Whew. All right, now we do squats. And then we go home and get breakfast. Right, Levi? All right. Good. You want to do squats with me? Now. I see that. Hey. Goofball.
Oh. Help.
Hell what?
I do have my see.
You want to what? No, no see. I'll show you the video after. Goober. Ah! I try to keep them out of the videos as much as possible.
Dad.
What?
We want to go up.
You want to go up?
Yes. I'm too heavy.
No. I just don't want your head to bang.
Please.
Here, let me see if I can do that. I'm gonna put this on pause and I'm gonna do a lat pull down. All right, so it got hot. These toes. Alright. How many? See? Now you broke the phone. Can never work out with kids around. It's almost impossible.
I broke the phone.
Alright, I'm gonna get this done. I'll talk to you guys when I get back home. See you soon. Look at that sky.
What?
Look at that sky. That's pretty cool. See ya. Okay, that was less than fun. My son's bike broke. And so I decided, you know what? Why not hold it, carry it, and do walking lunges the whole way home? And I told him it was a lot of fun. I'm gonna be honest. That stunk. So, time to get some work done. Time to get some breakfast. We need some protein. I need a shower. Look at that. I told you it was a beautiful day out because I wasn't gonna sweat. Now all of a sudden I'm like soaked. See ya. All right, so we finished up breakfast. I know that actually looks kind of gross, but it's hard-boiled eggs. I mean, it's not supposed to be fancy. And I'm also learning about YouTube because I'm trying to make my channel more interesting for you guys. And so why not go to somebody who's got a pretty good channel and start figuring out why their stuff is interesting. And I can't seem to find anything yet. So, I don't know. We're just gonna keep learning. We're gonna keep testing things out. I have no idea, but we're 33 days in. That's probably key number one. I've got a lot more time to put into this, but always try to get better. That's the goal. There's the wife's wine in the background and some stuff up here. What do we got up here? We've got, ooh, these guys are cool. I don't know what they are, but they're little chickens or roosters, or I have no idea. To be completely honest, but they look kind of cool. That's exactly what my video is gonna be. Right there. I gotta figure out a way to take a picture here. Let's go. Oh, the random chickens, and then I'm not very religious, so I'm sure those have some significance, but I don't know what they are. So let me know if you know. Back to study. Ciao, ciao. Buon noite, strenar. A te seconda. That's all she wrote. Forza Tactica. Forza Evolutiva. I don't know what that means. But it's the police station again. It's Saturday. Oh, hey, where did the rest of my family go? That's interesting. Oh, there they are. Where's Mamai Xander? Mamai Levi, where are you guys? Hello? Cadê Levi? Cadê Xander? Cadê? Oh, here's the car. Let's see if they're in the car. I don't know. Are they in there? No, they're not in the car. Maybe they're under the car. Let's take a look. Maybe they're under the car. Nope, they're not under the car. All right, well, I guess I'm gonna have to walk home. That's a bummer. You know what? You know what? I haven't checked that black car yet. Maybe I'll go check the black car. We'll have to see. Huh? Oh, there they are! They scared me! Oh my gosh!
Yeah, I'm using it. You are the people and that too.
Oh.
I'm gonna get you.
You're gonna get me?
Xander's the alien.
Xander's the alien. Oh no, run away from the alien! Oh
am I? Move. Alien's gonna get me. Ah! Ah! I'll see you guys later. I'm getting abducted. Oh no! So I figured out the problem, and I don't know if it's gonna get fixed. So the problem is, I drop things all the time. The major problem is I am trying to run a Facebook ad, and I built a website for it. And at the end of the Facebook ad, if you want to go take a look at the website, you can. But that website isn't secure. So that's because of some back-end website stuff that I can't control. It should automatically populate, but it's not, because in a previous life, I set up a website for the same domain, if that makes sense, the same www dot. And the company that I'm working with hasn't deleted that old account. So because they haven't deleted the old account, they can't take the security thing and drag it over. What does that mean? Why do you guys care? I don't know. You guys might care. You might not. But the point is that I have in one of my goals to launch the ad today. And see, I don't know how I judge this, because the ad is ready to go. I literally could hit publish right now. If I run the ad, I run the chance of Facebook shutting it down. And if they shut it down, then I can't run it for a long time. But if I don't, then I don't hit my goal. So I don't know, is that considered a win for the day or a loss for the day? Or maybe I come up with something new and I add that. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that out. We'll figure it out from there. Yeah. Okay, so I figured it out. In a previous life, I used the www.extremityreach.com domain for a different thing. And that account lapsed. I don't have that account anymore. And that company has not deleted that record. So because they haven't deleted the record, I can't get a new record that says that my new website, Extremity Reach, is safe. Now, everything's ready to go. Why does this all matter? Because I'll tell you why, okay? Because my goal for today was to launch, I had 5 goals. I've got 2 left. One of those goals is to launch an ad, to launch the ad. And technically, all I have to do is hit publish. But if I hit publish right now, Facebook runs the chance of deleting and banning my account because I'm sending people to an unsafe website. So how do I score this? Like, did I successfully achieve my mission for the day because everything's ready to go and I just have to hit publish? Or is it not because I can't do it? I mean, I could do it, but then I run the risk of not being able to run ads and find and learn that skill set as a fly. So I either run it, achieve my goal, potentially lose Facebook ad capability, or I don't run it, fail the goal, but win in the long term. I'm liking the second option better because in my head, I still feel as though I did accomplish the goal and I'm not right now in control of the actual security of it. I have to get in touch with that company, which I'm about to do. Lo and behold, it's the same company. I built one with one website on the same engine. Yeah. Long story short, I'm gonna try my best to get it done. But at the end of the day, I don't think I have control of the end result. So I probably shouldn't have set the goal up that way. Lessons learned. We'll get to it. Still have that other one to get to. That's a study one. I have time. I have to study and try to get better at these YouTube videos that I'm talking to you about, which is why I'm changing angles all the time. See you in a bit.
Cosa de comida. Watching a movie with the family. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Hi. Levi, say hi. Alright, we're gonna chill out for the rest of the night. I think we're done. We're just waiting for the SSL to get approved, so there's not much I can do. What's this movie called? Arctic Dogs. Okay.